Hi. Welcome to our video tutorial. In this video tutorial of our JavaScript course, we'll see operators, specifically four types of operators: arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operators, and assignment operators. So we'll see those four types of operators in two sections, so in two parts. So in this part of our operators video, we'll see arithmetic and comparison operators. So let's see them by example. So let's create a new HTML file. HTML arithmetic and comparison operators .html. Okay, so in here what we are going to do now is first let's see arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators means mathematical operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the last one, modulus operator. So we'll see all five of the operators in example. So let's create a function. First, let's add our script tag, language JavaScript, type text JavaScript. Now let's have a function called apply arithmetic. I'm not sure if I write the spelling correctly. Forgive me if I made some errors. Okay, so in our function, what we are going to do is create two variables and output the result of those variables, while their sum, their difference, their product, and their coefficient, their quotient. So let's create two variables. First variable and another variable, second variable. Okay, so let's make it two. Now we can show both answers here. Let's alert 4 times. So the first one, the sum is okay. I want to concatenate the value. Let's have another variable, result, to make the code simple. So I will add first and second values. So I'm applying the arithmetic operation addition. So the result variable is going to be displayed here. So this will show the user the sum of the two numbers, and we can apply this for all the arithmetic operators. And the fifth one is it shows us the function is modulus, which returns the remainder of first. What the operator does is it divides the value first by second and returns the remainder of that number, which means 10 divided by 2, the value is 5, the remainder is 0, right? If we make second 3, then 10 divided by 3, the value is 3 with a remainder of 1, right? So this function will return 1, not the result. The result is returned when we apply the division operator, but in modules operator it returns the remainder after the division. Okay, So let's do that. Now this one is the sum, this one is difference, so this one is I believe product, and this one is quotient. I'm not sure about the spelling here either. The remainder is, now I have a function which uses both 5 functions, so I can remove var from the rest of the 4 lines because I have already declared the variable here. I don't need to declare it again and again. It just confuses JavaScript. It does nothing good for us. So here I'll have a button here. On click, call this apply arithmetic function. Now apply operators is going to be the text on that button. Now let's open our HTML file and see how it goes. If there is any problem, then we can fix our errors. Okay, now apply operators. So the sum is 13, it added, the difference is 7, the product is 30, 10 times 3. Now the quotient is, so the remainder is 1, 10 divided by 3, the quotient is 3, and the remainder is 1. So the modules operator gives me the remainder. So in this case, whenever we divide something by 2, if the number is an even number, so the remainder is 0. Otherwise, it will return 1. So we normally use this operator to identify if a number is even number or odd number. We'll see them in detail in the future when we see actually conditional statements. Okay, so this is how arithmetic operators function. Now let's see comparison operators. Comparison operators means comparing two values. Okay, let's see. Let's alert something. What I want to alert is first value greater than second value. What do you expect this will give us? Okay, now I want to remove all this code, but I'm not going to delete it. Rather, I'm going to use a multi-line comment. So starting from here until here, comment it. So only this line of code will work. Now let's refresh our HTML file, and when I click, it returns true, which means it actually compared the value in first variable and the value in second variable. And the question is, first variable 10 greater than 3. The answer is true, right? Now let's try to see another comparison operator, less than. Now first less than second. Now the return should be false, which means I'm asking if 10 is less than 3, so it's false. Okay, another operator we have also, equal to operator. If 10 and 3 are equal, it says false. What if I give it two equal numbers? What did it say now? It should return true, right? So these are the comparison operators we have. Not just this, but greater than, less than, now equals, and two more. Those are less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to, and one more, not equal to. It's not greater, This one, it's not greater, it's not less than, just it's it's not equal to. So this one checks if the two numbers are equal, this one checks if the two numbers are not equal, and this one checks greater than, less than or equal to, and this one greater than or equal to, and it returns true or false. If the condition is successful, then it returns true. If not, it returns false. So these are the two operators we have in JavaScript for arithmetic and comparison operators. For logical and assignment operators, we'll see it in our next video tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it's clear, but if you have any comments, please give us your comments in comment section below. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube video channel to get notifications on our future videos. Thank you.